Hello guys, in this video we're gonna take a look at one of my favorites and my outdoor equipment, the Olight Warrior flashlight. So this is an Olight M2R Warrior and it's a limited edition. This flashlight got my attention because of the moonlight function, which is 1 lumen, the maximum light output of 1800 lumens and the maximum range of 300 meters, which I'm gonna demonstrate later in this video. But first, let's take a look at the box with the specifications at the back, and just put this video on hold if you want to read them. This flashlight comes with a rechargeable lithium battery, and it also comes with a USB magnetic charging cable with indicator light. It comes with the lanyard, which I don't use, but I do use this high quality holster. It's attached to my backpack, so I can draw my flashlight very quickly, for example by exploring a dark tunnel. So let's take a look on how to use this flashlight and how to cycle through the light modes. It has a soft side button with the on-off function, battery level indicator, and when you keep pressing the side button it cycles through all the light modes, from low light to high output mode. And it always remembers the last selected light mode. So let's select another light mode, off, on, and it lights up in the last light mode. When you press the side button for 2 seconds, the flashlight turns into moonlight mode, and when you quickly press 2 times, it turns into turbo mode, which gives you 1800 lumens. To activate an 1800 lumens strobo mode, you simply press 3 times quickly. The tail switch is magnetic, so you can hang up your flashlight. You can do a half press or a hard press, and that gives you medium or turbo output mode, and that's the first configuration. To select the second configuration of the tail switch, you simply press the tail switch and the side switch. Now, the tail switch gives you medium light mode by a half and the strobo mode by a hard press. There's also a lock function which can be activated by pressing and holding the side button. It goes to moonlight, and when the light is back out, the flashlight buttons are locked. This flashlight is also waterproof, and notice that there's a carved bezel that can be used in emergency situations. And it has a clip that works in both directions. So let's take it into the dark to see the light beam. We start in the moonlight mode, which you can hardly see. So let's change to the low light. That's much better. Then we go to medium 2, medium 1. And now let's change to high output. So, and now we go to the maximum light output, which is the turbo light mode. Bam! So this is the maximum output, and here you see the difference between high and turbo mode. So this was my Olight flashlight video. My new upcoming gear video is about this Care Plus water filter. If you're interested in outdoor gear, hiking or adventures, subscribe my channel, and I hope I see you back.